Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a diamond pattern with loops for you today. The looped detailing on the sides is so much fun, I can't wait to see what you create with it. I have two slight variations for the looped detailing which I'll show you later in this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, it would really help me out if you could hit that thumbs up button below, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Thanks so much, let's get started. Cut 4 pieces of rope, each piece is 2 meters long. Cut 1 or 2 more pieces, each piece is 3 meters long. Cut one piece if you only want to create loops on one side as seen here on the left. This is a nice look if you're planning to create layers that connect in the middle of your work. Alternatively, cut 2 cords if you'd like to create loops on both sides as seen on the right. Fold the 4 2-meter cords in half and attach them to your work using Lark's head knots. Fold the 3-meter piece or pieces so that there are 2 meters on one side and 1 meter on the other. Attach them to your work using a Lark's head knot so that the 2-meter side is on the outer left and or right side of your work. I'll add one on the left for now and then another on the right later in this tutorial. Use the 6th cord from the left as your filler cord and tie a double half hitch knot working to the right. Tie 3 more double half hitch knots working to the right. Use the 6th cord from the left as your filler cord and tie 3 double half hitch knots working to the left. Use the cord on the left as your working cord to tie your loops. Tie a cow hitch knot by bringing your working cord behind the filler cord, around the filler cord and through the loop, in front of the filler cord, and then through the loop. Tie your first knot directly under the Lark's head knot at the top of your work. Tie your second knot using the same process except leave extra cord between the first and second cow hitch knots. Push the cow hitch knot up your filler cord to create the loop. Tie one more cow hitch knot using the same process. Cross the 2 filler cords to connect the loops to the diamonds and then tie 3 more double half hitch knots to create the bottom left half of the diamond. Tie 3 more double half hitch knots to create the bottom right half of the diamond. Tie 1 more double half hitch knot with the 2 filler cords to connect the 2 sides. Tie another diamond using the same method as the first. Tie 1 more cow hitch knot directly under the diamond and then tie 4 more cow hitch knots, leaving extra cord in between them to create 4 loops on the side of your work. If you want to add loops to the other side of the diamond, do so using the same method as you did on the left side of your work, or use Lark's head knots instead of cow hitch knots to create the loops, which gives a slightly different look. Tie your Lark's head knots by bringing your working cord in front of the filler cord, around and through the loop, behind the filler cord, and then through the loop. Use a tapestry needle to thread the cord through the side of the diamond and then continue tying your knots. Thanks so much for watching.